Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to cancel an order on Glovo. First, open the Glovo app on your phone. Go to the section where you can see your ongoing or scheduled orders. Now, tap on the order you want to cancel. Next, inside the order details page, look for the option that says Cancel Order. Sometimes it may be under the How Can We Help section. Follow the on-screen steps to confirm your cancellation. Keep in mind, Glovo may charge you a cancellation fee if the restaurant has already started preparing your food or if a courier has picked it up. You'll see the fee before you confirm. If you don't see the cancel button, just go to the help section in the app and contact Glovo support and they'll assist you. And that's it. That's how to cancel an order on Glovo. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.